Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix AOC monitor black screen issue. If you want to fix the issue, then you will need to follow some steps. As you can see, I am at the official website of Reddit where the people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. One people says that I have the same problem. Temporarily fix that work for me. Force shut down the PC. Deselecting the monitor from the NVIDIA controller panel. It's really frustrating. Here you will see this is the solution provided by the people. Force shut down the PC and deselecting the monitor from the NVIDIA control panel. This is the first thing you can try. The second thing you can try. Here you will see the another people says that I seem to have the exact same problem and I have got it working a few times by sitting here for literal hours, just plugging and unplugging the display port cable and turning off and on the PC. So this is the another thing you can try. The second thing you can try is to just plugging and unplugging the DisplayPort cable and turning off and on the PC. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.